RIUGOR has been innovating for many years, and we have developed unique production tooling and processes, including the external position tolerance and internal strength of the product. Over the years, engineers have been pursuing the quality of products, adhering to the professionalism of excellence, so that the product continue to improve internal accuracy and stability. The main equipment of an RIUGOR company is automatic type writing machine, automatic CNC multi-station 3-hole boring machine, semi-automatic assembly line, advanced spectrum analyzer, magnetic optical fluorescence fault detector, axle assembly comprehensive performance test bench, hexagon 3-coordinate measuring instrument, electrophoretic coating line, etc. to ensure the quality of products.
The main products of Hanan RIUGOR Transmission Machinery Co., Ltd. are high-end low-speed electric vehicle front-wheel drive assembly, independent suspension, integral rear axle assembly, full floating and semi-floating specification. The company's R&D and production technology is strong, can quickly meet your customized requirements.